Hello, welcome to Arts and Woods. This is Tanisha Arora. Today I will be showing you another beautiful set which is in solid teak wood with natural matte finish and with a beautiful Rajwadi fabric. In this sofa set we have a 3-seater along with 2 single-seater. I have shown you this set multiple times, but there is a slightly change in this set. You can see the leg part of this set is slightly high. If we talk about our normal Rajwadi set, the sitting height is 15 inches, but in this set, the client wanted the sitting height to be 23 inches. It is a double carved set. It has to be placed in the middle of the room so that the carving should be visible from all the sides. For more design, you can visit our website artsandwoods.com. There you will find a dedicated section for sofa set, or you can send your own design as well. Arts and Woods can make that for you and send to your home in India and out of India, wherever you are. So please contact, the number is right here. We will be happy to talk with you. Thank you.